Hey guys, this is Ben from Camp Automation. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a machine we built that automates the test and inspection of blood vials for a medical device manufacturer. When they first came to us, they had purchased a blow molder that you see on the left-hand side of the screen. And what they hired us to build is what you see on the right-hand side of the screen. So the piece of the machine that has our camp logo on it, that's the inspection machine we built for them. And then you can see that vertical seam to the left of which is the blow molder they had purchased. They had also, given us some sample parts of these blood vials and a URS document. And that document was largely comprised of different quality tests they wanted to perform to these blood vials, and the main ones being visual inspection. And so they wanted to look for foreign materials down to 3/1000ths of an inch. They wanted to measure critical dimensions like widths and diameters, and they wanted to leak test the product and also press test it. So getting into the design of the machine, the first piece that integrates with the blow molder is this gantry. So this is a camp designed mechanism whose purpose is to pick the vials four up out of the blow molder, bring them through an inspection station, and then induct them into the index dial. Here is the first inspection station of the machine. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a camera looking into the screen, into a backlight that's IR, so it doesn't appear to be illuminated to us. The first inspection is looking for foreign material of sizes around 2 or 3/1000ths of an inch. The green hash marks indicate that it has found some foreign material, and the image you see is what the machine vision camera is seeing. The next inspection is looking for critical dimensions. So we're measuring width in a few different places and length in this station. Here's a view from the end of the machine showing the gantries coming at us, carrying the vials through the inspection station, inducting into the index dial, and then circulating throughout the machine. Once in the dial, the first step is to flip them so that the opening of the vial, or the top of the vial, is facing down. And that's just so that if there is any dust in this clean room, that it does not settle within the vial. Here's a look at the flipper in the machine. So if you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see we're flipping the vials from facing up to facing down. After they're flipped, they continue circulating around the index dial, and they go into the press test. So here we're using a pneumatic actuator that's applying force to the vial. The idea being if it's a faulty vial, a crack or some deformation will occur on the vial, and we will inspect for it in the subsequent vision stations. Now, if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the press test, and then moving left, you'll see the camera that's inspecting the bottoms of the vial, and then moving left again, you'll see the camera inspecting the top of the vial, and then left one more time, and you'll see the leak testers. And so after the stress test, there's the bottom inspection. And here you can see we are backlighting the vial, and the camera's looking down at the bottom of the vial, inspecting for the diameter, and then maybe more importantly, looking for any cracks or deformation that would have been caused by the press test. After the bottom inspection, we have to flip it so we can inspect the top. So here you can see we're flipping it so that it is right side up. The vial opening is up, and then we will move into the top inspection. In the top inspection, we're looking for the diameters of the neck and throat, and also the concentricity of the neck and throat. And after that, we just load them up into the leak testers, and we run a pressure decay test. And now if the vial has passed all of these tests and inspections properly, then we will disposition them to good parts. And if not, we will disposition them to a bad parts bin. All right, that does it for the Vials test and inspection machine overview. If you have an automation or manufacturing challenge you'd like help solving, reach out to us on our website at campautomation.com.